Hello friends, welcome to Technique. Today I have got something new, not very something new, but this is very light weight barcode scanner, entry level scanner from Motorola, or we can call it from the Zebra Technologies, or we can say that this is a product of Symbol, because Symbol has been acquired by Motorola and Motorola has been acquired by Zebra Technologies. Now you will be able to find this scanner LS1203, the entry level 1D barcode scanner from Zebra Technologies, now manufactured by Zebra Technologies, and the brands are Symbol, Motorola and Zebra. Now let's unpack this one. This is the cable, this is a USB cable. This portion of the cable will be connected to the scanner, and this is the USB cable, USB end, which you will be connecting to the system or laptop of yours. The USB port. This is the scanner. This is the light wire scanner. Let's see light wire scanner. It goes parallel. Something apt to the hands. And you have the guide, quick guide. Go through this. So this is all what you are going to get in the box of LS1203 1D barcode scanner, wired barcode scanner. And if you want to buy this scanner at a cheap price, then you can visit card.com, which is mentioned in the description. Also card.com, and you can place your order over there. So you have any queries, put it on in the comment, and we would be assisting you. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.